textures, and this is the idyllic landscape that we're going through right now. And also that picture that is so kind of famous, yeah, I would say, around the world. It gives us a lot of understanding of what the cross by car Bavaria from south to north, and definitely one of the three wealthiest lands. Of course, there are places in Germany that are basically sponsored by other regions. For example, the capital, Berlin. Berlin was a divided city, and Germans voted for Berlin to become back their capital again. And definitely everybody pays Berlin for being the capital. Berlin is the biggest city of Germany. Hamburg is the second. This is also the city-state Berlin, city-state Hamburg, and Bavaria, the land with the city of Munich, north and south. And that means that it was always on the crossroads of trade routes. Just in a minute, we will go on mountain road, and you will understand why the roads were taxed and how the country could. That went from south also to right now. Pay attention to the right side of the road. Just in a bit we'll see a building with a big dome. This is Ethel Monastery, one of the numerous monasteries here in this area. And also this is still until today it's a functioning monastery with 50 monks living there, various sacred objects related to Catholic faith, and also a beer and liquor production. Definitely until today, no step without bottle. Yeah, so beer definitely also was taxed, and probably our bullet point list of sources of Bavarian wealth is ready now. Here about Bavaria. As I said, in this region there were always some unions of German-speaking nations. Nations were usually a duchy or bishopric, which means that some piece of land was ruled either by a duke or a bishop, a religious figure which is super impressive. They stayed in power for 738 years. This is unimaginable number. Okay, we have guests from Japan. The royal family of Japan is longer, yeah, it's over 1,000 years stays in power. And the most famous crown in the world, the British crown, crown is not as clean and continuous as it was with Wittelsbachs. Wittelsbachs were just, living as a family and giving this power from generation to generation until they became the kings of Bavaria. And who made Bavaria a kingdom in the beginning of 19th century? That was no one else